What's up, Dino Squad? And today we are playing a Nobby. So, Nobby. Okay. So, yeah. So, he's saying that the construction worker has gone mad. Absolutely mad in the head. He must have just knocked himself with a brick.
You forgot to have more.
Yeah.
I died. Why are you screaming? You and if you want to die.
I thought I was gonna die. By the way, I forgot to introduce her. This is my friend Lavinia.
Hi. I don't know one of the videos. We were playing Tower of Hell.
Yeah.
We went on cool.
Yes. Duh. Okay. Did I even get the checkpoint? I don't know.
I've never played this game before, you know.
Oh no, not good. I swear, I don't even like these platforms. Like, they're just so crooked.
I hate when comments are off. It's so annoying.
I know. Anyways,
I'm gonna wait for you over here.
I don't know when people do that because I don't know if I got the checkpoint or not. So yeah. What are these like red things? Wait. Oh, you go this way. No, okay, say something then. Make your way to the bottom of the parking garage. Okay, let's go. Whoop.
I'm trying to run this over, man.
I know. Left or right? I'm gonna go with left. Come, lefty. Wait, I'm gonna go after.
Okay. Could you jump through this? Oh, you can't.
No, they put black. Yeah, you can't go to there. I'm gonna go with right this time.
I'm doing left.
Wait, this is left.
Right. I mean left. Left.
Wait, what? Wait, this is left. This is left and this is...
No, it's not. That's right.
Oh, I just went the other way then. Okay, I'm gonna go with
It's the way
right
that you
again.
Look at it.
This is left again. Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. What?
No, I died.
Thank God I didn't get run over. Wait, you have to restart.
Nah, I have to start all the way again.
Oh my gosh.
You better wait for me, you know.
Oh, I will.
You better.
Okay, let's just dance for a little bit while we're waiting for her. So, yeah. Oh, that's the wrong one.
I'm almost there.
She's here.
I'm gonna go this side. Actually, no, I'm gonna go this side.
Why did I talk about Bruno?
Hey, wait for me, man.
It's
We
okay.
pick a side or something.
Oh.
Oh, we have to pick a side.
Oh, no. Oh. Wait. Oh, that's on the other game. Oh well.
Oh, it's 45 Robux.
Exactly. Quick into the mine that will take us to the next exit. Okay. It depends how long this like thingy is, because I don't know. Get into the whatever it's called, mine. Okay. So we got some rocks here.
I died.
I know. Look at her.
There, made it. No, more fire, man.
It's lava. not fire. Fire will be flaming up our
Same
arse.
thing. Same thing, man. Now shut up. Okay. What do we do now? Go up the ladder. Jeez.
Ooh, saw. What is it? What do they call it? Saw.
So, what you did just.
That's a weird name.
So,
No, I just dropped into a block of cement.
Me too. I don't know why I died. That's instantly just made me go rock hard.
They need to add them little. You rude little game.
I'm gonna wait for you. Again.
They need to add a little more details into the game, you know. So. I just left her. I just got karma just because I left her.
It doesn't let you make shortcuts.
Exactly. Because the game's outsmarted us.
You don't so slow. I'm just walking.
I'm jealous.
Now where do you go?
Over here, if you could see.
Oh. Oh, this one's easy.
I can't believe they don't give you your real walkings.
This is so long.
Yay. Oh, what? Measuring tape.
Tape measure.
It's measuring tape. Measuring tape. Because you measure with it. And it's like a tape. Sense. We're not in America. What? Leave your answers in the comments. What do you think American people say in measuring tape? What do you think American people call measuring tape? Say it in the comments. A rolling tape.
What tape?
A rolling tape.
But they call it tape is like a movie.
OMG, we met a fan. Actually, she's not a fan, so.
What? How did I die?
You touched the white stuff.
Oh, you're not supposed to touch the white stuff.
Yeah.
So freaking confused.
Yeah.
Made it.
I got commitment issues, but I should fix that for you. I think nobody but you. That is true. Anyway, let's see what this boy's saying now. Quick speedrun, your way to safety. Speedrun. OMG, I love speedrun.
No, you don't. You hate it.
I rage, but I love it. I say nobody. Yeah, you
When
true.
you played the actual game, you were screaming.
Yes, because it was bullying me.
What?
It was bullying me. It didn't want me to win. Cause I say nobody but you. I lost my vocals because of that. Woo!
can jump real high.
What the? No, please. Wait. Cause I see nobody but you. We made it! Oh my gosh! Press on the button. No thanks. OMG, like speed pad and jump pad. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this.
I died.
Same. I didn't die. I'm trying to get back on the building. Lol. Okay. I don't know where I am. Anyways, guys, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell on, and comment what do you think. What's your answer that American people call measuring tape? So anyways, I don't know where my friend is. She just went out of space, probably. But anyways, bye.